Well, good news for ababukeli nabathandi beGcokama, because it looks like i-reality show kaMthandeni esimazi ngeGcokama Elisha. It looks like it's gonna be a 26 episode. Season 2 zoba ama-episode awu-26, because on last Sunday lo esiphuma kuwona mhla 28 kade kudlala episode 13, of which we all know that ama-reality shows, especially lawa ka-SABC 1, iwona engivamise ukuwabuka, avamise ukuba nama-episode awu-13 for each season. But kuthe mase kuphela u-episode 13 of Ushuni Maskandi on Sunday mhla ka-28, kwavela ekugcineni ukuthi coming up, as in like for what we are expected to see, ukuthi yini ekufanele silindele ukuthi sibone like or on the next Sunday. Yeah, on Sunday. Singisi madoda. Yeah, ngesonto leli esiya kulona, of which I'm not sure ukuthi kuzobe kumhla 2 noma umhla 3 yini, noma kuzobe umhla 4. I'm not sure about the date. But indaba ezimnandi zithi kubukeka sengathi Ushuni Maskandi uzoba nama-episode awu-26. Please let me know if mhlambe khona iphutha engilenzayo noma engilishoyo, ngoba usually i-reality show aka-SABC aba nama-episode awu-13 isizini iyodwa, njengoba kwenzeka naku-season 1 from abokhuzani Ushuni Maskandi lo season 1 kwenzeka ukuba I'm not quite sure, but I think okwabu 13 episode each show. So it looks like iGcokama liseza kahle ekuthenini lawa ama-episode for i-reality show yakho mfowethu. Siyambona nje indlela enza ngayo. We're still gonna review like the whole season once isiphelile. We're gonna go through each and every episode, because I do have some episodes la engiwagcine khona. Okay, so bekuyilokho nje bengithi ngin-update ngako, ukuthi nje bathandi nabalandeli baMaskandi, ababukeli bashuni Maskandi, nabathandi nabalandeli beGcokama, kubukeka sengathi u-SABC wenze okuhlukile kunabefore, wanikeza iGcokama kanye nalaba abamshuthayo ukuthi uzoba u-23 episode season 2. I'm not sure about this, I'm just guessing, because last Sunday beku-episode yes-13, but yathi siphele episode kwathiwa next week nike nibone kwasavezela ama-highlights azobe edlala next week, futhi kuzobe ku-episode 14. Akujwayelekile ukuthi isizini ye-reality show ibe nama-episode awu-14 or 15 or 16. Usually is 13 or 26. On that note, ake nginishiye kanjalo nisacabanga lento engiyishoyo. Bye bye mabwethu.